All right, so I'm in the Panasonic booth. You know I'm a big fan of Panasonic. I love my GH5 for video features, especially when I'm vlogging. And we just recently talked to the Canon guys about the new M50. And I think it's really interesting to come over here and can kind of compare and contrast the latest entry-level mirrorless or micro four thirds camera from Panasonic, and this is the Gx9. Comes in at about $1,000 body, plus that 12 to 60 lens. This small compact camera, similar in size and shape to the M50, does 4K, as Panasonic has for a couple of years now, and it also gives you dual IS, which I love when I'm shooting with my GH5. That's where the lens and the body work in conjunction with each other. Both of it is mechanical stabilization to give you very smooth, stable footage without any additional cropping. Now, this is a micro four thirds, so you do have that crop there, but there's no additional crop like you're actually getting on the M50 now. However, we don't have the fully articulating screen. This is just the tilt flip screen. It doesn't come out to the side. One thing that might make you a little bit happier though is we've got a kind of more articulated viewfinder up top, which really can make a nice difference for your landscape shots. One of the ways that I talk about setting your photography apart often is to get at angles that other people aren't shooting at. And anything that makes it easier to get at those angles, like an articulated viewfinder, is nice. This also does 4K at 30 frames per second, which the Canon is limited to 24, and there's no decrease in your autofocusing capabilities, though we know that is one area that Panasonic has struggled from time to time. All right, so this is the G9, and I'll be talking about in a full review soon. This 50 to 200 lens was very recently announced. It is an f2.8 to f4 lens, and I think really nicely highlights one of the strengths of the micro four thirds system. This is a fantastic zoom lens with a good aperture range, and look how compact and small it is. And that highlights one of the big strengths, in my opinion, in my mind, of micro four thirds. It is your lenses stay small along with the body. So if you're traveling often and you're looking for a small, compact system, I think Panasonic with their micro four thirds offers some of the best out there.